In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excel Clipboard. To get started, open Excel and make sure you have a blank worksheet ready. A blank worksheet layout gives you a clean space to practice the clipboard features without distractions. When the worksheet is open, you need to choose the correct starting location. Click cell A1 in your blank worksheet. Cell A1 is the top left cell in the grid, located at the intersection of column A and row 1. As soon as you click it, you will see a highlighted border around cell A1, and the cell will also be ready for any action you perform next. This matters because pasting goes into the active cell, so setting the cursor in A1 ensures you paste in the position you intend. Now that cell A1 is selected, we are going to move to the ribbon at the top of Excel. The ribbon contains the main tools for working with your data. You are going to use the Home tab for this. Click Home. When you select Home, you will see the group of editing and clipboard tools. This step is important because Excel organizes clipboard functions under the Home tab, and that is where you will find the Paste command. After you are on the Home tab, the next action is to paste. In the Home tab area, look for the Clipboard section. This is where Excel shows options for copying, cutting, and pasting content. Now click Paste. The Paste command is the main way to place content from the clipboard into your worksheet. If there is copied or cut content available on your clipboard, Excel will paste it into the currently selected cell, which in our case is A1. Take a moment to notice what happens on the worksheet after you click Paste. Because A1 is the active cell, the pasted content should appear starting at A1. Depending on what you copied, you might see a value, a block of text, or other content from the clipboard. If you copied multiple cells, Excel may paste multiple cells into the worksheet, filling in the area to the right and downward from A1 as needed. That is why selecting A1 at the beginning is so useful, because it gives you predictable paste placement. If you do not see anything appear after you click Paste, that usually means there is no suitable content on the clipboard at the moment. The paste action depends on what you previously copied. In a typical workflow, you copy something first, then you come here and paste it. For this tutorial, the key point is that the clipboard and paste tools work together. Home contains the paste command, and cell A1 is the destination. Once the content is pasted, you can confirm everything looks correct by checking the cells that were updated. If you pasted more than one cell, review the full pasted area to make sure the layout and data match what you intended. If everything appears as expected, you have successfully completed the basic clipboard process in Excel. To recap the flow, you start by clicking cell A1, so Excel knows exactly where you want the pasted content to go. Then you switch to the Home tab, where the clipboard tools live. Finally, you click Paste to insert the clipboard content into your worksheet. Following these steps in this exact order keeps your workflow smooth and makes sure the paste lands in the right location every time. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.